Why Samsung Galaxy S20 not fast charging? Seven ways to fix it. Is your Samsung Galaxy S20 not fast charging? The Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 FE and S20 Ultra are Samsung's best phones for 2020. They pack a ton of modern, cutting-edge features like beautiful display panels, excellent cameras, and great sound quality. One of the most useful day-to-day features in these phones is the ability to fast charge your Galaxy S20. However, the Galaxy S20 series phones sometimes tend to stop fast charging all of a sudden, without any apparent reason. If that is the case with your phone, allow us to help you out. If Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 FE and S20 Ultra fast charging is not working, then we urge you to follow these steps to fix this problem. 1. Enable fast charging. If your S20 smartphone is not fast charging, then you should start off by making sure that fast charging is enabled in the first place. By default, the fast charging option is enabled in Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 FE and S20 Ultra, but it is possible that you may have disabled it by mistake. To fast charge your S20 phones, you must ensure that this function is enabled. Here's how to enable fast charging on Galaxy S20 smartphones. 1. Head to Settings, Battery and Device Care, Battery. 2. Tap on More Battery Settings. 3. Then, tap the switch next to the fast charging. Just in case the problem persists, make sure you move ahead with the steps given below. 2. Restart the device. Restarting your device solves many issues as it refreshes the whole system and powers it back on freshly. When you restart your phone, a lot of temporary cache files are deleted and replaced, which often solves a lot of issues. If your S20 is not fast charging, then you must try restarting it. Now that you have restarted the phone, try charging again and check whether it's fast charging or not. Make sure to move ahead with the below steps if you could not fix this problem by restarting the Galaxy S20. 3. Use the original charger and cable. Faulty and incompatible charging accessories can be the reason why your Galaxy S20 is not fast charging. If your power adapter or cable is incompatible with the Galaxy S20 power ratings, then your device might face problems in taking up the charge. Also, if you're using a third-party charger, then you should make sure that it gives enough power to adequately fast charge your S20. So, before you move ahead with any steps, make sure you check the specifications of the charger and charging cable. If you believe that the charger or cable could be faulty, try charging your Galaxy S20 with an authentic Samsung power adapter and cable to see if it fast charges. In case that doesn't help you fast charge your S20 phone, then we suggest you move ahead with other solutions given below. 4. Inspect the charging port. Sometimes, dust and debris collected inside the charging port don't allow the charging pins to connect perfectly. This can cause your S20 phone fails to fast charge or don't charge at all. So, it is important to make sure to keep the charging port clean. You can clean it with a Q-tip or toothbrush or anti-static brush. Make sure to be gentle in order to prevent any damage. Once you've cleaned the charging port, try to charge your device again. Now, check if it is fast charging or not. In case your Galaxy S20 won't fast charge after all this, move on to try the steps below. 5. Wipe cache partition on Galaxy S20. If you're unable to fix the Galaxy S20 not fast charging problem, then you should try clearing the cache partition of your device. Doing this ensures that the outdated cache partition and corrupted files get wiped from your device and fresh, new files are created. It is possible that the corrupted or outdated cache partition contained damaged configuration files, which is the reason why your Galaxy S20 is not fast charging. Here's how to wipe cache partition on Galaxy S20. 1. Switch off the Galaxy S20. 2. Press and hold the volume up key and the power Bixby button simultaneously. 3. After the Android recovery screen appears, release the buttons. 4. Use the volume down button until you highlight the Wipe Cache partition. 5. To select, press the power Bixby key. 6. Now, confirm by selecting Yes by using the volume control keys. After the cache partition is completed, select Reboot System Now. This method is likely to solve the fast charging issue on your Galaxy S20 smartphones. If this method won't help, make sure to move ahead with other steps. 6. Recalibrate the Galaxy S20 battery. Sometimes, your device may show inaccurate battery reading, making you confused about whether it's fast charging or not. In such cases, recalibrating the battery can come in handy. This process resets the battery stats, enabling the phone to show accurate readings. Here's how to recalibrate the battery of Samsung Galaxy S20 smartphones. 1. Use your S20 series smartphone until it powers off on its own after getting completely drained out. 2. Make sure you use the original charger to power up the battery up to 100%. Don't unplug the charger for at least 2 hours after it touches the 100% mark. 3. Now, unplug the charger. 4. Power on your phone. The battery is now recalibrated. Lastly, 7. Factory data reset. Factory data reset solves some major issues of the phone by clearing out hidden junk files which could be the reason behind performance issues on your Galaxy S20. It can solve the Galaxy S20 not fast charging problem as well. However, it erases all the data stored on the phone. So, it's best to back up your data before you proceed. Here's how factory reset your Galaxy S20. 1. Head to Settings. 2. Find Backup and Reset, then tap on Factory Data Reset. 3. Select Reset. 4. Enter password, PIN, pattern. 5. Tap on Delete All. Resetting the device should fix the fast charging issue on the Galaxy S20 smartphones. Still have issues with your Samsung Galaxy S20 phone? Get it checked at the Samsung Service Center. If all of the above methods fail to fix the Galaxy S20 not charging problem, we advise you to look for professional help. Or please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Center. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.